Hello, this is Lazarus at Telecom.tech, where telecom and networking technologies are simply explained. Today, I'd like to simply say thank you. It's been just over 2 months since I started this channel, and I'd like to thank everyone that has subscribed and that has liked my videos so far. If you haven't done so yet, please do that now. Click that subscribe button and let others know about the channel. By doing so, you make it possible for me to continue to create useful content for you. I don't know if you've noticed, but I love telecom, I love networking, and I love explaining it to others. And if you're here, you probably share my passion for networking and telecom as well. There's something truly special about loving what you do. It transforms your job into a source of joy, and it plays a vital role in your overall happiness as well. Now, the whole concept of this channel is for me to explain topics in a way that I wish they were explained to me when I was learning. And hopefully that'll save you a lot of time and frustration that's often associated with getting your head around some of these concepts that can often be difficult to understand. Well, in the near future, I'll continue to put videos out there about BGP attributes, IPv4 topics like subnetting, as well as IPv6 topics, including address syntax and extension headers, just to name a few. I'll be moving into other topics as well, such as 5G mobile communication networks, and we'll even be touching on what to expect from the upcoming 6G standards, as well as satellite communication systems, which are all on the cutting edge of today's telecom news. In any case, keep those comments and suggestions coming, and I'll do my best to accommodate as many as possible. And as always, I hope you find all of my videos useful, and if you do, don't forget to like them and subscribe. More videos coming soon. I'm Lazarus at Telecom.tech. I hope this has been helpful for you, and I'd like to thank you for watching.